Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to transfer projects between different workspaces. The process is quite straightforward. Begin by opening the project you intend to move. Access the drop-down menu and select the Sync/Export option. You need to export these project tasks as a CSV, so click that option and then hit Export. A menu will prompt you to choose a save location on your computer. Select a destination like your Downloads folder, name the file Project 2, and press Save to create the CSV file. Now, switch over to your second workspace. Navigate to New Project, and choose the option to import spreadsheet from another tool. Enter your project name, which in this case is Project 2. Select the appropriate workspace and the specific file for import. Find your CSV file, double-click it, and the project will load. Click Go to Project to complete the transfer. You have now successfully moved your project between these two workspaces. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.